Hi there, everyone. Okay, BT here with FX Live daytrading.com 9/21/2014. Going over here, the Euro US dollar. Very interesting statistics. The Euro US dollar over the course of the entire month has had an average of about 128.13. That's the average price. You can just see we're at 128.46. Over the last quarter, we've had a price of about 128.50, 50-ish, give or take 5-10 pips. That's pretty significant to say the least. I mean, we really have not seen big moves in this pair. The US dollar obviously has been strong over the course of the last 4 weeks. We've seen the dollar yen up almost 5% for the month. And we've seen most of the pairs, including the Aussie US dollar, down over 3%, and also the Euro US dollar. Now, the pound versus the dollar is only down about 1.55%. So, overall, we've seen more volatility in the Euro US dollar than we have in the pound dollar. So, I would rather trade the Euro US dollar if I had to trade these pairs. Dollar yen, as I mentioned, up over 5%. Pretty significant moves coming as the Fed on Wednesday hinted that they're going to be more inclined to raise interest rates if for some reason they do see growth coming in the near future. Now, your guess is as good as mine whether or not we're going to see that growth, but we're just talking about the fundamental aspects here. Now, they plan very soon on tapering and not going ahead and basically ending this QE3. So we've also heard that before in the past, and it just did not materialize. So we have here the Euro US dollar. I'm using a very simple type of charting system. I wanted to point out some key levels. Now, if we look to the far left here, we're going to see that at 129.66, that is the overhead resistance that I have here. So a move a little bit higher, I think we're going to get some resistance there. That is on our daily chart. So I'm going to take that into consideration. We're moving up a little bit here, and then we see the next area of resistance is going to be that 129. So 129, second overhead area resistance. And what do we have for support? Well, I would be watching here 128.25 as support on the Euro US dollar pair. I'll go into this more in depth in our trading room tomorrow at 8:30 a.m. Right now it's 8:31 p.m. here on a Sunday night, and I'm going to go ahead and conclude this video. But I wish everybody a great trading week, and I'll follow up with some more public videos. For more information, FX Live, daytrading.com. Take care, everyone.